So now a quick analysis on our Ethereum for this week. But before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now we can see on our daily time frame, we'll be analyzing it from our daily time frame. We can see that we are actually on a 4. I want you to also note that this my moving average. The red is 10 moving average, while the green is 20 moving average. Now you can see that now that our price has pushes up, it's our 10 moving average and it has dropped. There's every possibility that we are still going to be going bearish this week. We are currently at 1,583. That's exactly where we are now. You can see this key level here, whereby our price has reacted to this our key level here. Price has reacted to this key level here, about 1,003, 15 or 1,500, how you want to call it. So when our price reacted, it pushes up, then it came down again. So I'm going to be marking this our next key level here, where our price can possibly hit, which is about 13,000. Yes, our price can actually hit 13,000 for this week. But let's see it now. Let's see it this way now. We've actually gotten a drop. Then we will want to be waiting for a pullback, because I doubt if you just get that drop. I'm waiting for a pullback. When I get that pullback, then I'll actually be taking my sell straight down to my 13,000. That's exactly what we would want to be trading on our Ethereum. As you can see on our Ethereum, we are still bearish, by the way. We are still going down, so we should actually be going down with it. Our price is still, we are still on a downward trend, so I don't think we would be having a reversal anytime soon, but we would want to be having a pullback very, anytime soon. We'll be having a pullback anytime soon, and then we will actually not drop a, we will now have a drop to our 13,000. And I want you to also note that there's every possibility we will not have that drop. Our price can just drop straight down to our 13,000. So have that in mind. If you want to take your sell position, I will advise you, take your sell position, try to take your profit at your 13,000, and also probably set your stop loss, I will say around, probably this our previous high around that 2,000. At least it will be okay if you want, or you can actually set your your stop loss around 19,000. I think 19,000 is okay if you can set your stop loss, but take your sell up at about 13,000. This is exactly where our price will actually be hitting this week. Our price will be hitting our 13,000 this week. That's exactly what I want you to have in mind. Now we are going to look at it from our 4-hour time frame. As we can see on our 4-hour time frame, definitely we are still on a downward trend. As you can see, our 10-period moving average, our price has hit our 10-period moving average. Now it is actually going down. It is actually dropped. We are actually now still going down. We are still very, very bearish. That is exactly why I said there's every possibility we might not be having that pullback, but definitely we should be able to close this week at 13,000, about 13,095. If you have 1395, we should be to close around that our area here, as we can see. And now let's see on our 1-hour time frame. Let's see our price will actually be moving on our 1-hour time frame. As you can see, our price is actually still dropping. By the way, we are currently at 15,000. Our price is still actually dropping. If you see on our 1-hour time frame, if you want to trade from your 1-hour time frame, I think it will be a good opportunity to actually take your buy position, because you're having something like a little bit of retracement, then will come down. We might not be having a major retracement on our daily time frame, but we can be seeing that retracement on our 1-hour time frame. We can be seeing that retracement on our 4-hour time frame. But definitely, I doubt if you have it on our daily time frame. That is why I said take your sell position, try and opt out at 13,000. That's exactly probably where we will be opting out for this week, 13,095. That is exactly what my analysis is saying. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this my channel.